Hey guys, thanks for tuning into my channel today. Today we are going to be deworming our pigs. Not so fun, I've never done it before, but I'm confident that we will be able to get it done quickly, easily, and effectively. So come along with me. I've got my little helper here. My husband's at work today, and we have a commitment tonight, and the pigs need dewormed badly. He's resisting. All right, guys, you are gonna hear the dog barking. You're going to hear the kids in the background. Like I said, this just needed to get done, and this is the time we had to do it. So we're gonna just do it. And I'm gonna take you along with me. The pigs are hungry, so it should be easy. I'm gonna go get them their food, and then I am going to film. Yeah, they're ready. They do get fed, I promise. Wow, hello. Good to see you. Hi. Okay, let's go get them their food and we'll get going here. Okay, got my little syringe. They're little pigs, so they're getting just half a milliliter each. And we'll repeat this again in a couple weeks here. But we use a clean syringe for each pig. Obviously, we don't want to cross-contaminate anybody with anything. Not that I think they have anything, but you know, you just don't share needles. And we'll be disposing of the needles right away. So it's funny because I actually went to nursing school before I became a stay-at-home mom and worked as a nurse for a while, and then just have been staying home with my babies since. So I never thought when I went to nursing school that I would be using my skills for a pig, but that's okay. That's fun. It's funny. So we're just gonna get that on there. Oh, maybe. Now, there we go. Oops, try not to poke myself. Okay. So again, half of a, dude, I seriously poked myself. What is wrong with me? Apparently I'm way out of practice. So I need a Band-Aid. I can't put this in the video. No way. Okay. I need to go get a Band-Aid. Okay, I don't know if I'll be able to do them all today. I need a Band-Aid really badly. This is not okay. This is harder than anticipated. I thought I'd be able to do it just fine, but I'm a little scared. I don't want a wild pig chase to go on. Oh, I can't do this.
I'll do it.
I just don't want to hurt the animal, and I don't want... I just don't want to mess it up, you know?
Just do it.
My heart is pounding in my chest. My heart is... I can't do it without Dad.
I'll just do it.
I have to have Dad.
I'll do it.
I can't do this. I need my husband. I need a double team for the first time. My confidence, stop Bev. My confidence level is down here. I need it to be up here. So I'm gonna wait till my husband gets home. That might involve waiting one more day to deworm them, but that's okay. I think they will survive for one more day. Now this, look at those beautiful colors. There's no doubt about it. I am feeling like a failure right now, but I know it's not a big deal. It's just giving the pigs their necessary medication. But I am still feeling timid because it's the first time. Hi, kitty. I think that because I'm feeling so timid, it's probably better to just wait. So we're at least gonna get our other chores done. We're gonna get them watered. We're gonna get some hay to the cows, and we're gonna regain confidence and come back to it. Kitty, hi. This guy, he just showed up. I don't know whose cat this is. This is not my cat. You're not my cat. We've got 4 barn cats, and now we have 5. I don't know where he came from. We pulled up in the driveway one day, and he just came walking up to us. So the neighbors might be missing a cat. And now I'm trying to water the pigs, and I forgot to turn the water on inside. You okay? Oh, you all right, girl or guy? You all right, kitty? Okay, so I'm gonna run back inside, turn the water on, and then run back out and water the animals. Confidence, it's at an all-time low. Like I said, feeling pretty upset with myself. Thought I could do it. Thought I could get the pigs done, over with. My husband wouldn't have to worry about it. Turns out I'm a wimp. You know, I remember feeling the same way in nursing school, okay? Before a clinical rotation, I remember we had to do a flu shot rotation where all we did was give flu shots all day, just to get us used to giving shots, right? And boy, was I scared my first one. Woo! But I had my instructor there to talk me through it, and it was fine after that. So I don't know if it's just because it's so new and I've never given a medication to an animal via a shot, or if it's because I'm a total wimp. So let me know in the comments if you have ever felt this way. Let me know if you have overcome it, I guess. Let me know if you've overcome it. Let me know if you have felt like just that's how I feel. It's all right. We'll get it done. It's not gonna happen. It's just teamwork makes the dream work, and my husband is my teammate, so we are going to get it done together. I'll see if he will let me film it. I don't know. But until then, we can at least throw some hay to the cows. Sometimes I like to feed the cows hay outside of the barn, especially when it's good weather. but we had church today. We had a town day of just running around, and I'm feeling extra lazy, so I am just throwing it over the fence the easy way. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. It is actually Super Bowl Sunday today. That's right, I am filming the video the day before I am releasing it because it was a crazy hectic week for me. So we are going to go celebrate with some friends and eat some good food and enjoy ourselves, and I will be back on Friday with another video for you, hopefully showing you how to actually deworm your pig. Keeping it real over here. This is really what happened today. I really chickened out. If you like this sort of content, be sure to like and subscribe, tell all your friends about us, and we will see you next time. Bye.